Let me be honest with you. I am at the park. This is my favorite walking trail. I love it. One of my favorite. But this morning, I didn't want to be here. I definitely didn't want to be here. I felt tired. I think I'm coming up with the flu because my throat is not right. So if you hear me coughing or my voice is weird, I'm not feeling good. So some morning we will wake up unmotivated. We will not want to do it. We question why we're doing that. We question everything. We just want to give up. But those days are the impactful day. Those days are the day that we have not to rely on motivation, but to rely on discipline, on consistency. And that's what we're going to talk about today, how to stay consistent when motivation died. Someday, we have to remember why we're doing what we're doing. What's our motivation? For me, my motivation is I am getting older. My whole body hurt. I am tired. I want to be able to take care of myself in my 90s because I'm going to live to 90. I already asked the Almighty. But I don't want to be a burden. I want to be able to take care of myself in my 90s. I want to be able to enjoy my grandkids. I want to be able to run after those kids. So I have to do something now for future me. And that's my why. So on those days when it's hard, when we don't feel like doing anything, remember why we started at the first place. And adding to knowing your why, I know my why so much. I have that lady in my head. That is me. She is me. But she's in a waiting room. She's waiting for me to show up. And every step I take, I can see on her face that she's happy. I can envision her. She's me waiting for me to show up so she can come out. I can see her getting happier and closer to the door every step I take. And on those days that I don't take any step, I see her going back 10,000 steps. I see her moving back, fading, disappointed and sad. So I don't want to make her disappointed and sad because she's me. I gotta show up for me. So have a clear vision of the woman you wanna become, the woman you becoming, and show up for her because I'm showing up for her. It may sound crazy to you, but I know her. She's right there in that waiting room with the door closed, waiting for me to show up. And every time I take a step, every time I eat better, every time I drink my water, she's closer to the door. Also, do it one day at a time. Cut your goals into small goals. I have over 100 pounds to lose, girls. It's a lot. I have a lot of pounds to lose. I'm looking to lose over 100 pounds. But I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at little pieces because if I look at 100 pounds, I will feel overwhelmed, discouraged. So right now my goal is how much pound I can lose by Thanksgiving. And after that, it'll be how many pound I can lose by Christmas and just go from there one time. And I have a goal I want to do by end of 2025, by January 1st, 2026. I may reach it, I may not reach it, but even if I don't, I will be closer to my goal. So cut your goal into small pieces and do what you can do. That's all. Don't overwhelm yourself if you have a lot of weight. So far, I lose over 30 pounds. So I'm very proud of it. I have a long way to go, but I'm not stressed about it. It doesn't need to be theatrical. It doesn't need to be that big gesture. Just eat better, eat healthier, take more steps than we did before, go to bed on time, drink our water. Small changes will make a big impact. So we don't have to wait for a moment when it's going to be, oh, we did that big thing. No, we don't need for it to be theatrical. It just needs to be simple, small changes that can fit our lifestyle. And we don't have to announce it to the world. We can just do what we're doing, and our result will speak for us. So don't wait for the perfect time, the right outfit. Wear what you have, your leggings, whatever you have on hand. The only thing I will suggest you get is good working shoes. Other than that, everything else, keep it simple, keep it easy. Small changes make big impact. I see so many people working in this park. So I think there's something into working because a lot of people are doing it. They walking at the park, so they may know something. I will suggest you do the same. Doing it from a place of love, not a place of punishment or self-hatred. Just doing it because we love ourselves and we want to be better, not because we hate our body or we just want to punish us because we ate a little bit more yesterday. It have to come from a place of love. We have to be to talking to ourselves with compassion. We have to be, if I didn't make my 10,000 step today, what I did, but if I didn't, I will not beat myself up for it. I like, well, girl, we didn't make it 10,000 steps, but at least we did 5,000 steps. Better than if you were staying in the bed, we'll not make those 5,000. So if we get up and take even 2,000 steps, it's 2,000 steps we will not have taken if we had stayed in bed or on the couch watching TV. So don't be too hard on yourself. If you feel sick, if you don't feel good, that's okay. So far, that's how I lose the weight. Discipline over motivation, one step at the time. Focus on today, not the long goal. Just focus on today, drink my water, eat healthier, and minding my business. That part too. Mind your own business. Eat healthier. Doesn't mean you have to cut the food. I don't cut the food. I eat everything I used to eat. I just eat less of it. Uh, I go to bed on time. My kids hate that. They want to stay all night, watch a movie, but mommy gotta go to bed. So that I'm very disciplined on that, going to bed on time. Drink water, very important. You gotta keep hydrated. Drink water and mind your business and take it one day at the time. So one step at the time. Can I move today? Can I eat healthier today? Can I go to bed earlier today? Little change make big impact. All right, guys, I just finished my work. I'm taking my last few steps. And let me tell you something, I feel better than when I started. I never had a day. I start my work, and at the end, I was like, darn it, I wish I didn't take that work. That never happened. Every step make me feel better. So at the end of the day, after my work, I feel proud. I feel accomplished. And I see her, the lady I was telling you about, the future me, I see her getting closer to the door. I see her being happy, excited to finally come out. So, yes, just take one step at a time because I never see anybody regret going to the gym, regret taking a walk, having regret about doing the right thing. Now, we can regret eating that second piece of pie. We can regret making that second serving, but we'll never regret doing the right thing. So just take that work, ladies. If you like this type of content, why don't you subscribe? Come on, join the family. Let's subscribe. Let's do this together. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you keep yourself disciplined even when motivation die. Let's make this a community where we can talk and just take this journey together. Subscribe, share, and like, please. Why not?